Okay folks, here we are having a bit of fun for a Sunday afternoon steam up with 3 Doll 510 steam engines going and one spare one at the back there. These two here are 510/0 and this bloke over here is a 510/1. You'll have to excuse my poor examples of a chimney, but anyhow, that's probably better than no chimney. There they are, triplets, or a quartet if you want to count that bloke over there, not one. Alright. They take a bit of mothering to get them all steamed at the right timing. And whatnot. That one doesn't, there's only one got a throttle valve on it, and that's this bloke here. Dennis would be like to have that one with so you can slow it down. The others you have to either regulate with a load, of course, or damp the fire down. So there's just a little bit of a hexamine tablet in there after you get your kettle full of hot water poured into them, get them all heated and so on. Alright. What a setup, eh? There's that says burn my fingers. Right, a little bit longer than my normal run because that'll be 3 minutes, so that they can have a minute each. But anyhow, I don't suppose anybody's got a spare dollar emblem to go on there. Anyhow. Alright, there you are, one's conked out. So thanks for watching, people.